Today we're going to take a look at our rubric-based analytics. So from the session overview page, there's a button up here called Analytics and Grading. The teacher only sees this, so when they click on that, there's several parts to this page. So the top part is our rubric builder, and I'll show you how to build rubrics in a minute. The middle part is the table that has all of the students listed on the left, and then all of their contributions over here. So how many times did they post, how many times did they respond, did they tag anyone, save an arrangement, upload a file, anything you need right there. There's a series of options here for saving the grades. And then we'll come down here to the bottom. This is called a parallel coordinates, and as you hover over a row, it allows you to see the relative contribution of each student. All right, so if we go back to the top up here, here's our rubric. Today we're giving out A's, B's, and C's. And you can make these whatever you want. These can be decimals, this can be a 0, whatever you want. So then our condition here, we say, okay, well, you couldn't have done this without at least posting. You couldn't have completed the activity without at least posting 4 times. And you'll notice as I'm clicking on these and making these changes, the count here changes, and then these rubric grades right down here also change. So I could say, well, you had to post 4 times. I asked you to leave tags on some of your peers' posts, so you had to at least leave 2 tags. And I wanted you to also respond to someone else. So did you respond to someone else? Did you leave some tags? And did you do some posting? And so now we sort of created our rubric here. And now we can see we're giving out 4 A's, 3 B's, and 3 zeros. So if we come down to the bottom here onto this table, so we can see our rubric grade has been automatically filled in. So this button right here will copy our rubric grade to our final grade. So that gives us a starting point. Now what we can do here is for Sam, I can actually look and say, okay, well our rubric gave you an A. If you hover over here to the left of him, there's Sam's notebook. So I click on the notebook. Here's everything that Sam did for this activity. So now I can take a look at his actual work, come back here, and say, all right, that was good work. Great job, Sam. And so you can sort of do that throughout here. So I can come down here, I can look at Robert Masterson. All right, our rubric gave him a grade. Well, some of this work isn't great. Looks like he could have done a little more. I come back here and I can change this. I make him a B, and I say, graph needs work. And as you'll see here, as I'm doing things, it's automatically saving the grade. So every time I make a change to this table, it saves it, but you can also save the button there. When you're done here, when you've left notes and given your students a grade, we've got some options here. So an LMS grade passback. So if you're using Blackboard or Canvas, this will open a dialog and let you put your grades in. And then you can also just download an Excel file with this information as well. All right, if you have any questions, please let us know.